pace. You take our burdens, trade them for simple praise. We walk in together, light in our everyday. We will sing a new day, sing a new day.